All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a pretty cool tool here with me. I got a Shirogorov tool, Custom Division Edition, and you know what, guys? You can check out fablades.com. Instagram, check out at Fablades, see what's going on. And you know what? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about this little tool right over here, which comes with a nice box, microfiber cloth, and the actual tool itself? It is a very, very nice one. Titanium, marble, carbon fiber, 3D milling going on for this custom division tool, which is numbered. For the first time, you get, for example, this is number 90. I don't know how many are made, but this guy spins. It can be disassembled. Of course, it just opens up right over here, and you have like the 5 bits, all the 5 bits that you need to take apart any, and I say any, Shirogorov knife plus the custom division. So you have a custom division bit right over here, which is incredibly cool. This fella just goes right over here. You see, it has, there's like an order, like to put this guy like a matryoshka in, like so, like that. And this guy is here, and this guy just goes like that. So it's a pretty cool tool. This guy spins because you're gonna have it palmed, and here you can twist this, and here it doesn't move. So you can apply pressure here and just use it, so increase the torque. The custom division tools are very expensive, made in Russia. This guy is $600, guys, so it's a lot of money. Like the same is valid for the custom division pen tool. So same thing, titanium, carbon fiber, you got the bits right over here. It's, you know, I love these things because they are just so well made. They are limited edition, very hard to find. I love the custom division lineup, and I couldn't pass on this guy. But I'm not saying you have to spend $600 on a screwdriver, because it's just crazy, but it's amazing. This is a fantastic tool. It's a little bit on the slippery side, so I would have preferred a little bit more grippiness here, but still the design is gorgeous. I love the marble fluted carbon fiber going on for the handle, the fact that spinning, that you know, I love everything. I would say my preferred tool is still the cyber tool, because I can angle it and just crank it down, and I have much more torque with this one than this one, but this is a super classy one. I couldn't pass on this one because it's just a gorgeous tool. Titanium, marble, carbon fiber, limited edition, custom division, sign me up. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.